Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a sculptured acrylic infill with a black and rose pink design. Here I'm just pushing back the cuticles using my cuticle pusher and getting off any dead skin on the natural nail. So here I'm just taking off the shellac using my electric file and one of my drill bits. If you could bear with me through this video, for some reason the camera kept going in and out of focus while I was doing it, so some little bits may be a bit blurry, but please bear with me. I've taken my smaller drill bit and I'm now just going over getting the last little bits of shellac and any lifting that's in the nail. So here I'm just coming in with my 180 grit file just to get rid of any more lifting and to blend in the line. Here I'm just going in with my cuticle bits just to get rid of any more dead skin that's left on the nail, and also to push the cuticles back just that little bit more. This will help stop any lifting next time. So I've taken all the dust off and I'm just going in with Nail Fresh to dehydrate the nail. I'm then going to go over with Scrub Fresh, and that'll take all the oils off and cleanse the nail a bit more. And then I'm going to do another layer of primer. I'm going in with CND Acrylic Liquid and Powder, and I'm just filling in the little gap there is from where the growth is and any lifting that's come out. I'm going to replace that. in with my 100 grit file and I'm just filing around the edges, making sure the shape's all nice and neat and pointing up the points. And then I'm going to go in with my buffer block and just go over and smooth over all that filing. I'm just using Scrub Fresh on a lint-free pad just to get rid of any dust and any more oils on the nail, just ready for the shellac. So I'm painting with CND Shellac Beau. And then I'm going to go in with CND Shellac Blackpool. I'm going in and doing another coat of each, making sure I cure them under the LED lamp for a minute. So I'm then placing Lecente glitter in New York Pink Ultra Fine. I'm graduating it up on the one and putting it all over on the other. I'm then going in with CND Additives in black and I'm dotting it on and blending it up the nail and then going over the tip a little bit more just to give it that darker end. And then going on in with the UV top coat over all the nails. for the pink line I'm going in with a chrome effect gel paint, and then I'm going to use my Lecente S1 brush and just slowly bringing it down, trying to be as neat as possible, and then I'm going to cure that under the lamp for a minute. And I'm going to go ahead and do one last top coat just to seal in all the glitter and all the nail art on the additives. And then wiping off the inhibition layer with IPA on a lint-free pad. I'm then going to rehydrate the nail using CND solar oil, and then we're all done. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy the videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends.